Welcome to AutoText, the no-effort marketing solution that automates your content generation for social media platforms. Say goodbye to the hassles of manual marketing and embrace the power of AutoText for seamless, cost-effective digital marketing. To get started, simply sign in or sign up to access your personalized dashboard. After successful login, now, let's connect your social media business pages to AutoText for easy access. Select the social media platforms you want to connect to. As you click on Connect button, it will redirect you to respected social media platform, and as you successfully connect using your credentials, it will ask for some permission, and as you allow them, you will be successfully connected with AutoText. And once connected, you'll see the Come back to the dashboard. Navigate to the Social Media Marketing Content section on the left. Click on Facebook Content to create engaging content for your Facebook business page. Select the language and provide relevant details like the topic name, topic description, and tone for your post. Elaborate your topic description with keywords and specific informative words about your product or service. Sit back and let AutoText's powerful AI do its magic. It will generate multiple content responses for you, ensuring you have plenty of options to choose from. Select the content that best suits your needs and preferences. With just a click, you can post the content directly from AutoText to your Facebook page, saving you time and effort. Alternatively, you can copy the content and post it directly from your Facebook account if you prefer. Congratulations! You've just experienced the ease and efficiency of content generation with AutoText. Visit our website, autotext.app, and embark on your journey towards successful digital marketing. Thank you for choosing AutoText, your partner in no-effort marketing.